Everyone, my name is Megha from BCA Batch 1 5th Sem. Today I am going to explain JComboBox. So, JComboBox is a swing company that provides a drop-down list of selectable items. It allows user to choose one item from a list via enter a custom value. It is the part of Java X.Swing package. There are two constructors used in JComboBox. First one is JComboBox, create an instance with the empty list of an object. Second one is JComboBox, object parenthesis items, which means that create an instance that contains list of elements in the specified array. There are four methods used in JComboBox. First one is void add item, object and object. It is used to add item to the list. Second one is void set size, int width and int height. It means that it used to resize the JComboBox with the specified width and height. Third one is void set visible boolean b. It means that it is used to show or hide the JComboBox according to the pass parameter. Fourth one is object get item at index. Now I am going to explain code of JComboBox. So firstly, I import JFrame. We know that JFrame is a window that is used to place other component of an application. Second one is import JPanel. JPanel is an intermediate component that is used to place other component within the window. And third one is I import JComboBox. It allows user to select only one item from the predefined list. Now you can see that my class name is combo, which extends JFrame. Inside JFrame, there are two instance variables, JP for JPanel and JCB for JComboBox. Here, combo is the constructor, and inside the constructor, JPanel, JComboBox are initialized. Now, using add item, multiple items are added to the combo box like keyboard, monitor, mouse, printer, plotter, and CPU. Now, a combo box JCP is added to the panel and then set the title of the frame, which is combo box. Then we set the size of the frame 300 pixel and 200 pixel. Then frame is visible, which is true in parentheses, and then panel JP is added to the frame. Now inside the main method, object of the class is created, then automatically constructor is called. Now I'm going to run this program. Java. Now this is the output, and when we here click keyboard, if you want to select any one item, then you can click here. I'm going to select monitor, and this is the output of my code. Thank you.